Hey, I'm gonna show you how to download our files and actually change the behavior or actually code it. So if you open our link of GitHub that will appear also in the website, what you need to do is either download release.rar, which give you the basics to operate the program, or you need to clone the repository if you're going to continue our work. So let's say you just did download the release file. If you open it, you get the elaborated README file that you can see all the features, everything that we did. It's in Hebrew, sorry about that. Then you can open nav.exe. That's basically the executable. You can see everything here. So what do we have here, or you explain? There's the filter floor widget to show you less floors. There's a go button, combo box with a list of all the names, reset button, play without pause, preference if you want a faster way, stairs or elevator, next or replay buttons. Now notice the XXX in the headline. It's just because I just did some customizations in the config. If you go to the dependencies folder, you see config XML. Now let's drag it down a little bit. Okay, now you can see here there's a lot of entries and there's all kind of names and values. The value is what you want to have. If you can see, what I changed is the project title label text. I put XXX in it without anything. I will now change it to test to show you that it's actually doesn't need to recompile. We're just going to parse your XML file. So you can see test. Okay, what else we have in the dependencies other than this customizations? We can see the rooms XML. In the room XML, let's watch the node entry. Now you have the ID of the node, you have the name, number, floor, classes. Okay, the ID is very important. It has to be unique and it has to go from one to your last node. The name and the number also needs to be unique, now to avoid confusion in the list of the rooms. The class, first of all, I will explain in 2 seconds what it is, but it has to start with the floor number, and then you can choose yourself which one will be in the same class. So if you put 41 here and 41 also in node number 5, that means they're in the same class. You can see the classes itself if you open the GitHub repository. If you take all of it, you can see in this folder there's maps of Jacobs and classes that we chose to have. So you can see a line between nodes with the same class. It's just for convenience, this map. And the classes means that if you choose a route from node number 24, which is Jacob's entrance, to room 303, which the node ID is 34, we want to avoid showing you each step, the movie of the edge, all the edges that connects the route. Basically you need to decide if you think that from going from 24 to 34 is pretty simple, then you give him the same class, and instead of showing each move from each edge to each edge, it would just show you from 24 to 34 like it's one big edge. That's the explanation on the classes. Now we can see also the nodes, the edges. Each edge got a type, which is regular, elevator or stairs. It's got actually the connecting nodes, and then she got 2 video entries. The first one, just for convenience, I decided to go from the minimum to the maximum to avoid confusion or to add the node IDs. I didn't want you to have to say, this is from 1 to 5, and then that means you can make more mistakes if you did accidentally, you forget to change one of them. So this one, the first one, is from the smallest to the highest, from 1 to 5. The other one is from 5 to 1. As you can see, there's no video. Whoever will take on the project will have to add the videos. And Basically, you can see the engine files. You can actually open one of them and see all our assumptions. Like we have like defines of how many maximum nodes should be, how many maximum classes should be, all kind of defines and stuff like this. If you download the whole repository, you can also compile it in Qt and actually change it very easily. If you need any help, you can contact us by our emails, which is in the readme file and also in the GitHub.